I've got my old Ranger bass boat, and I've got some of the newer 7-foot long rods that don't fit in the rod locker. And so I found some straps to help me hold them down. I found these online, just kind of a cheap little kit, so we're going to try it out and see how it works. And what we've got is a little latch that holds it down, and then a little elastic, kind of a rope there. And then so this end obviously holds a screw, and then we've got the latch screw. So I've got my rods laid down here, and so I know the kind of the width that I'm going to need. And the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of put a screw over here on this side. Now I've got my poles lined out for the distance that I need, and we're going to set this screw here. All right, and now we need to install our latch across here. Just put a couple screws here in the latch. All right, and so now we latch it, and on this kit you just pull your elastic strap till it's snug, and then you install this keeper over it to hold it in place, and then we'll just cut off our excess. All right, and again, I found this online. It was pretty cheap, so just a way to upgrade the old bass boat and keep it going so we can use our long rods and hopefully catch a few more fish out there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.